Don't aim for financial freedom. You see, I have seen a lot of coaches, a lot of mentors asking people that, you know what, do this, do funnel, do this, you will become financially free. But financial freedom is not going to help you. So now you're thinking, Dave, what is it that is going to help me? I'm going to give you 5 stages where you need to follow and you reach to the 5th ultimate stage in this video. The first stage is financial confidence. You see, you cannot have more money if you don't have confidence. So first, build your financial confidence. And how do you build that? By learning and developing your skills, your mindset. That's financial confidence. Number 2, time freedom. Look, rich people buy time. Poor people sell time. If you have more time, you can make more money and you can build more business. So don't trade time for money. Value your time and have time freedom. That's number 2. Number 3 is financial freedom. And this is where most of the people are aiming for. If I can have more money than my expenses, I can be free. I don't have to rely on other people. But that is not the place you should stop. That's number 4 step. That is financial abundance. What is financial abundance? Financial abundance is a little different than financial freedom. Abundance means you can have wealth or money which is more than 10 years or 20 years. That is abundance. You can do more things. You see, in financial freedom, you may fall short and you may go back going to being broke. That is not a good place to be. That's number 4. And last, not the least, which is my favorite. This is where people become millionaires and billionaires. What is that stage? The 5th stage is called generation wealth. What is generation wealth? Generation wealth is not just 1 year, not just 2 years, not just 10 years, not just 20 years. Generations of your generations would be able to make lots of money and build lot of happy life. Build generation wealth and not just financial freedom. This is the ultimate place that you should start. If you think this is adding value to you, follow me, watch and read the book, 80% Mindset, 20% Skills. That will change your life. That will change your mindset. Don't aim for financial freedom. Aim for generation wealth.